So here we go, the box at work. Bird takes food, quarter drops, food comes out. Bird takes food, bird takes food, quarter drops, food comes out. That's the way it works. I almost forgot to take more video. So this is the detector for the quarters. Oops, I missed. That's how it works. Quarter drops in, turns on, comes back. Alright, this is the coin catcher part. I'm looking for quarters. So this is how that works. So inside the box, the crows will never see this, but this is how we want it. Let's check the quarters coming in. And this is a solenoid that I might use to activate dropping the food. I was just testing it here. Alright, well, I'm working on the box that all this stuff is going to go in. Roughly 24 by 12. So that's it. I left the face open. I left the box unbuilt because I still have a lot of prototyping to do. But here's 4 of the parts of the project together. So this is my new toy. This is what I'm going to use to run the auger. It's already geared down and it's a battery source, and all I have to do is wire into the trigger and it'll be perfect. Well, this is how it's going to be working inside the box. Put a quarter in here and switch is runs so that's what's going to be in the box. Well, I'm ready to button this up. This is what it looks like inside. Sort the coins. See the coins that come in. Turn on the auger. And there's the auger. Right there. Fill that with food. And I put a battery in there and it can be run on a battery. So that's it. So here we go, the box at work. Bird takes food, quarter drops, food comes out. Bird takes food, bird takes food, quarter drops, food comes out. That's the way it works.